Good morning and have a pleasant day to all of you. My name is Jayaprakash Kiri. I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. I am in incubating in Manage CIA under RKBY Raftar program. My startup name is Organic Choice India. We are basically into promotion of sustainable farming practices and trying to stabilize re-engineering value chain of agriculture products. The basic idea of our startup and basic problem we are trying to solve is, as we all know that present cultivation practices are too costly and a large portion of costs are wasted every year due to length of present agriculture value chain. On the other hand, the cascading effect of this lengthy value chain forces consumers to pay more while farmers get less. To overcome these burning problems of Indian agriculture sector, we are developing a new initiative, re-engineering value chain of agriculture products through our startup Organic Choice India. The idea is to develop sustainable organic and natural farms with groups of farmers across country and connect these farms directly with end consumers through farm processing and farm branding. Initially, these farms are basically focusing on daily kitchen or domestic need. These farms will try to grow each and everything of daily kitchen need. We are focusing equally on both ends of this re-engineering agriculture value chain. With this initiative, farms and consumers will connect directly, so no middleman in between. Hence, consumers are able to get fresh, organic and natural food option at reasonable rates while farmers get higher for farm cultivation. We targeted deep penetration up to a small marginal farmer of 0.5 acre and trying to enhance his income 3 times as compared to present income. We are providing weekend visit option to consumers and visitors to verify cultivation practices of farms and to enhance knowledge and interest in next generation. This interest will push new agripreneur and cowpreneur in upcoming days. Our mission is village empowered by sustainable agriculture and our vision is to stabilize the engineering value chain of agriculture products. I am thankful to Manage CIA Hyderabad to provide me valuable guidance and refine my business idea during this critical COVID-19 situation. Now I have my idea on conclusion stage and I have very clear insights about my startup Organic Choice India, in what way it will move on. Thank you very much.